3 months after TVJ News highlighted the conditions under which a domestic helper and her 8 children lived, she got some well-needed help. Crystal Clark today received keys to her new home. Anthony Lugg has been tracking this story and now reports.
I never once thought about running away, leave them though.
Not giving up. Crystal Clark's story highlighting her struggles, strength, endurance, and love for her children led to the outpouring support from the public. It also created the opportunity for Food for the Poor, National Bakery, and the Housing Agency of Jamaica to make the impossible now possible for Crystal Clark and her children. From as early as 8 Thursday morning, workers set out to complete this house in Portmore St. Catherine for Crystal Clark, the domestic helper and mother of 8 who lost her work due to COVID-19. Marvet Johnson, a cancer patient, also received the house. For the next few hours, hammers, paintbrushes, and other machines were in action as the workers carried out their duties. Miss Clark, who was celebrating her 34th birthday, was on site early to witness the process.
This is my Christmas in July.
Shortly before 2 p.m., she received the keys to her 4-bedroom house.
To see you excelling, I want to hear about you doing bigger and better things.
Yes.
All right, we wish you all the best.
Thank you.
Okay.
This is the first of its kind to be constructed by Food for the Poor with sponsorship from the National Bakery. Kivette Silvera is the executive director of Food for the Poor.
It is a pleasure, it is a warm and honoring feeling to give Crystal this house today because her story touched the nation and any mother out there would have been touched by her story.
This was Crystal Clark in April.
They are rats as big as you and I about the place and sometimes in the house.
Fast forward to July 23.
No cockroaches, no rats, no nothing. Just clean, neat and homeful. I'm just going to turn it into a beautiful home.
In fact, that's exactly what the housing agency, the entity that provided the land for the family, wants. Nakia McMorris is manager for community development.
Our housing solutions are usually the land title. In this case, we decided to ramp it up a little and do the housing along with it, and it's great. It's really good. At HAJ, we know that housing stabilizes families, and so we try to do that as much as possible in different ways. And one way we would do it is with formalizing or informal settlements and getting people back on their feet.
Now, most Jamaicans have the luxury of running water in their pipes, but for Crystal Clark, that was not the case because of her living situation. What are you looking forward to the most?
The most? To shower into a bathroom. To have a shower underneath a pipe for you. Like, I can't even tell you.
And to top it all off,
We just decided to give her a cake for her birthday, and this is only a gift from God.
Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.